Hi. It's so good to see you again. How have you been?
Hi. I'm so happy to see you too. I've been doing well, just a bit busy with life. How about you?
Same here. Work has been nonstop, but I'm managing. It's been ages since we last caught up.
I know, right? Time just flies. Feels so nice to finally sit down and chat.
Absolutely. This cafe is so cozy. Have you been here before?
Yes, I came here once last month with a friend. They have amazing coffee and pastries.
I love the vibe here. It's quiet but not too silent, perfect for catching up. So, what's new with you?
A lot, actually. I've started yoga classes, and it's been such a game changer for me.
That's wonderful. I've always wanted to try yoga. How are the classes?
Oh, they're amazing. The stretches and breathing exercises really help me feel calm and focused. You should give it a shot.
I'd love to, but I've been so lazy about starting. Do you go every day?
No, just 3 times a week in the mornings. It's a great way to start the day.
That sounds perfect. Maybe I'll join you one day.
You should. It would be fun to do it together. Anyway, how's work going? Still busy with that big project?
Oh, don't remind me. It's been crazy. The deadlines are tight, and there's so much to do.
That sounds stressful. Are you at least getting some time to unwind?
Not as much as I'd like, but moments like these make it worth it. What about you? How's your schedule?
It's manageable. Apart from yoga, I've been planning a weekend getaway to the mountains.
That sounds exciting. Who's going with you?
Just a few friends. We're planning to hike, camp, and maybe even try zip lining.
Wow, that sounds adventurous. I've always wanted to go camping. Is it your first time?
Yes, and I'm a bit nervous. But my friends are experienced, so I think it'll be okay.
I'm sure it will be fun. Don't forget to take lots of pictures.
Definitely. I'll share them with you. By the way, have you been on any trips recently?
Not really. I've been tied up with work, but my family is planning a trip to the countryside next month.
That sounds so peaceful. Are you joining them?
I wish I could, but it looks like I'll have to stay back.
That's a shame, but you'll find time for a break soon. Maybe you can plan something for yourself later.
True. A solo trip might be nice. Have you ever traveled alone?
No, but I've always wanted to. Seems like such a great way to explore and reflect.
Absolutely. Maybe that's what I need, a little adventure on my own.
Go for it. Could be a refreshing experience.
Speaking of adventures, how's your family?
They're all good. My sister just started college, and she's so excited about it.
That's great. What is she studying?
Psychology. She's always been curious about how people think and behave.
That's such an interesting field. I'm sure she'll do well.
Thanks. How about your family?
They're good too. My parents are enjoying their retirement, and my younger brother just got a new job.
That's wonderful. What kind of job?
He's working as a graphic designer. He loves it because it's so creative.
That's lovely.
It does. By the way, have you read any good books recently?
Yes, I just finished a mystery novel. It was so gripping. I couldn't put it down.
I love mystery novels. What's the title?
It's called The Silent Witness. You should read it.
I'll add it to my list. I'm currently reading a self-help book about mindfulness.
That's so useful. What's the best thing you've learned from it so far?
It talks about staying present and appreciating small moments. Like this one, chatting with a friend over coffee.
That's beautiful. It's true. We often forget to slow down and enjoy life.
Exactly. Conversations like this remind me how important it is to take a break and connect with people.
I feel the same way. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Let's plan another meetup soon, maybe at a different cafe or even a park.
I'd love that. Let's make it a monthly thing.
That sounds perfect. I feel so relaxed after talking with you.
Me too. It's always so refreshing to catch up.
All right, I should head back now. But let's stay in touch and plan our next meetup soon.
Absolutely. Take care. And don't forget about the yoga class.
I won't. See you soon.